1960s Twilight Zone versus 1960s Outer Limits. Wow, this video is going to be a lot of fun. Now, looking at this image, some viewers would be hard-pressed to know if this is actually Outer Limits or Twilight Zone. Now, for the record, I am a huge fan of both TV shows, Outer Limits and Zone. But if you have watched my other videos on this channel, you will know that I like to take my science fiction seriously. You can't wink at the viewer, at least not with me, and Twilight Zone did wink at the viewer. Now, don't get the wrong idea. I'm not some humorless old man. I noted that I found humour in 5 characters in search of an exit. So I do have a good laugh at Twilight Zone, but I don't laugh at this particular episode. Twilight Zone often featured simple-minded characters like this guy in front of you. This guy can't stop telling lies, and the aliens believe his lies, which causes the confusion. But look, my sense of humour is obviously different. There are some people who totally love this episode you're looking at, and now it is time to hand over the episode title. Hocus Pocus and Frisbee. Okay, let's jump to the positive side. Twilight Zone had some absolutely brilliant, straight-faced alien invasions. A typical American street of the early 1960s seems to be under invasion from space aliens, and all the residents of this street start turning on each other because they believe someone else is an alien in disguise. I mean, this is absolutely outstanding. The monsters are due on Maple Street. There was another more different alien invasion. Agnes Moorehead from Bewitched is all alone in this little house, and she starts hearing noises. This is a great zone, but it's a sort of zone you can only watch once in your lifetime. Once you know the twist at the end, it sort of ruins repeat viewings. So my advice is watch this once, and that will be enough. And yes, that is the saucer from Forbidden Planet. But which Twilight Zone alien invasion do I return to in repeat viewings? Black leather jackets. 3 young men arrive on Earth and take the form of regular people living in a regular street in the USA. One of them forms an attachment with a woman, this woman on the right here. Maybe I have a special soft spot for this episode because so many people absolutely can't stand it. This singles out how people react differently to Twilight Zone. Hocus Pocus Frisbee, some love that. I hate it. Black leather jackets, most people hate it, but I love it. People have totally different views on this wonderful thing called the Twilight Zone. Stu from Australia signing out.